Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cash Path. Today I'm diving into a new platform I recently tried out called NewsPay. I've been exploring different sites and apps that claim to pay users for simple tasks, and I thought, why not check this one out? So here's how it works. On NewsPay, you earn gold by watching ads while you read. You'll watch a 30-second commercial, and then you get rewarded with some gold. Sounds easy enough, right? But here's the catch. You need to accumulate a lot of gold for it to turn into cash. To put it in perspective, 5,000 gold equals just 0.05 USD, and you need a hopping 100,000 gold to make $1. So yeah, earning isn't difficult, but it's definitely time-consuming. One thing to keep in mind is that the gold to dollar conversion can differ depending on the withdrawal method you choose. NewsPay offers a few options for cashing out: PayPal, Bitcoin, Litecoin, and even gift cards, which is a nice range. But still, whichever method you choose, you'll need quite a bit of patience to see real earnings. Now, to be honest, I don't think I'll be sticking with this site. It's not that it doesn't pay. It's just that it takes a lot of time and effort to get even a few cents. For me, it's not really worth it. But hey, if you're curious and want to try it for yourself, I'll leave a link in the bio or comment section below. Let me know in the comments if you end up giving it a shot and what you think. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.